brand ambassador of Tala. What can you, yung message mo sa mga future entrepreneurs out there?
This is your chance. This is your chance to showcase your talent because you already have a partner. May partner na kayo sa buhay na pwede kayo suportahan at tulungan sa pangarap nyo. Bibigyan na nila kayo ng pagkakataon na matupad ang mga pangarap nyo paunti-unti. They will guide you every step of the way. And what I really love about Tala is walang hidden fees. Ang dami na nating tax. Puno-puno na yung tax sa buhay natin. We don't need that hidden fees anymore. It's very transparent. It is what we need now eh. Some change is nice. It's very refreshing to know and learn na, my gosh, may isa palang app na pwede silang maging honest lang. What we need now is honesty. What we need is pure help and pure support from a company that will guide you for every step of the way, be it for your business, be it for your studies, be it for your travel plans. But then again, my advice at the end of the day is, be realistic. Take a risk, but be realistic. Know and be mindful of how much you're going to borrow. But then again, Tala app will tell you the realistic amount where you can start. And then from there, you're able to pay it in the span of days that they'll give you, then it will increase. Ganun din naman sa pagkakaibigan niya, di ba? O, pautahin mo na kita ng 1,000 bayaran ko next week. Pag binayaran niya ako next week, susunod na utang niya, pwede na 2,000 kasi nabayad siya.
Marunong magbayad.
At marunong magbayad, hindi tumatakbo. I mean, it is very convenient to use. We don't want apps or lending services na tatakutin ka pa para ka pa magbayad. Hindi ako naman yung pinaka naka-experience yan, but I've heard so much stories na nangyari yan sa mga kakilala ko na umiiyak sila sa akin kasi may nag-message na sa kanila na threatening na yung bahay nila, i-divulge yung secret ng pamilya niya, yung huwag naman ganun, di ba? Huwag tayo dumating naman sa puntong ganun kasi napaka hindi makatao. Pero maging realistic tayo. Doon tayo sa kaya natin bayaran para magawa natin yung gusto natin sa buhay because lahat ng pangarap achievable eh. Again, nasa sa'yo yan kung paano mo sisimulan. And Tala is here to help.
Thank you very much. So grabe, we got financial advice, career advice, parental advice, lahat from Miss Judy Ann. I think it's crystal clear that they've chosen the best ambassador. Agree ko ba lahat? Yes! Congratulations, Missy and Maurice as well. I think you've chosen so well. And for anybody else that has questions, feel free to send it over to their social media pages. Maurice will personally answer them in Tagalog to practice his Filipino skills. Isang mas